Hello my people, how una dey? Today I bring una Nollywood tori from Igbo land. Igbo Queen! I know say my Biafra brothers and sisters go don understand wetin I sama. Na before husband of Naija popular Igbo actress Ngozi Ezeonu.
We are here together on this particular one. What's it?
Vex come outside, come open im mind, talk the thing wey dey pain am for some years now. Im talk say im former wife Ngozi go behind am, go do traditional marriage to their daughter, and una know as Igbo dey collect am now. All the 300 tubers of yam, drums of palm oil, one trailer load of rice, and acre of land wey no dey too far from village square. On top everything, na where the pikin read book reach go determine the bride price. Mazi Edwin Ezeonu also talk say im don already warn the actress make she no dey use im name sake of say dem no dey together again. The man talk say the thing wey pain am pass na the Igbo tradition wey Ngozi take leg match anyhow, say na abomination as the woman carry dem daughter go give her hand for marriage for Delta state. Edwin say im be real son of the soil and nothing wey im no know about traditional marriage for Igbo land. E say for Anambra where im come from, woman no get right to carry pikin give man, say na taboo and total disrespect to the gods and Ezeonu family. According to the man, Ogechukwu never marry o. Wetin dem do for February 15, 2020 na dat kain Akina Pawpaw comedy. When the waka kurukere dey go smoothly between Edwin and Ngozi, we hear say dem live happy together for 14 years before dem come separate when water pass garri. The gumbodi produce 3 children, but we hear say na 4 children Ngozi born. Where the extra pikin come from? Abeg, if you ask me, na who I go ask? Na Ogechukwu Edwina Ezeonu open Ngozi womb. The girl finish school from North American University, after which she come dey work as designer for Digital. We hear say na 5th of September every year she dey celebrate her birthday. Immediately Ogechukwu comot mouth for im mama breast, na Chidera Ezeonu grab am. Dem born the boy for April 30th and finish im higher education for Delta State University, DELSU. The last pikin wey dem born together before marriage scatter na Melvin Ezeonu. Im still dey school for Madonna University for Okija in Anambra State. Na October 17th every year the boy dey celebrate im own birthday. The last pikin wey dem say Ngozi born after the separation no get record, sake of say the actress no dey share im picture or talk about am like others for social media. If una gbadun dis gist, make una help us subscribe, like, comment and share so that we go dey notify una as other gist.